Good afternoon, Clay.Thompson here at Guaranty RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you a very fresh trade that just came in. It's a 2018 Genesis Supreme. It is the 37GS. Come on inside, let me show it to you. This is a beautiful layout. They did a really nice job. The previous owners, hardly used the thing. It looks like brand new. But nice countertop area here. Everything's solid surface with the great big stainless steel double deep sink. Rinse sink there. Pull out nozzle for the sprayer. Overhead cabinetry. Pan over here to the slide out, which is part of the kitchen galley and couch all in the same. But again, nice cabinetry. Over and above, full-size microwave. Spice rack over here. Nice big kitchen window. 3-burner cooktop, oven, lots of drawers. Built-in coffee maker already there on the wall. Nice LED lights throughout. With the couch that makes into a bed. There's also a posted table that goes here in this area. Again, more cabinets, magazine rack holder. Pan back here, we got the TV that pulls out, that's on an arm that will pivot out an angle either way. More cabinets, holders. So if we have something that's tight fitting in our cabinet, we can put it in and then we can put our bars back in that holds everything in place. It's a real nice feature that they put on this cabinetry here in this RV. The above bunk bed, the opposing dinette here, and this seems to be taller than a lot of other brands out there. With both beds in the upright position, have plenty of clearance here. Most of your side-by-sides are 73 inches. This will give you plenty of clearance. Plus, these lower dinette booths will fold down horizontally with the wall as well and give us clear up to here for height. So no problem for height issues there. Double 2 posted tables here for the dinette area. Back patio kit with the railing all the way around and the screen wall. We get over here on this side, more cabinetry all the way throughout with the overhead shelving. Really nice. Again, the bars to hold things in. Really super comfortable barrel chairs that are swivel and rocker and have the little magazine rack pouches on each side of the chair, and then a table here that's posted for eating, carrying on conversation, watching TV. Big patio window. Again, nice little job on the LED lights. Roll up carpet kit. Has the rustic barnwood floor throughout. Cabinets. Nice stuff. Solar on the roof. This also has the inverter system, so we can watch television without having to have the generator running or be plugged in. So our dry, quiet power, TVs will work on their own. Nice LED light strip on the counters, refrigerator, side aisle into the bath. Nice hallway window here that's nice, lets in a lot of light. Bathroom's real nice with the corner glass shower. Got your cubby holes, overhead cabinetry, porcelain toilet, nice lobby area, bathroom, king bed, wardrobe slide out, cabinets on both sides that are nice and deep, overhead lighting at the bed area, overhead cabinetry, and notice at the tail end of the bed, the foot area, we have actually a fireplace in the bedroom with the overhead TV and more cabinets in the bedroom. Nice lighting on the back end. Shows really nice, very usable, very lit friendly, lots of lights, nice colors for the interior that makes it a really good looking color inside and out. Come on outside, let me show you some features. This will have the exterior entertainment, so you got your TV inside there, opens up, alloy wheels, big 16-inch G-rated tires, is nice. Fueling station on the door side. I like that because if I'm fueling up my toys in the rain, I can do it underneath the awning, not allowing any moisture to get into my fuel cell while I'm pumping gas into it. It's a nice feature. 6-way adjustable pitch carefree awning. Spare tire drop down here, I just crank it. Spare tire drops down like most of our pickups. Got the 8-foot patio out the back end. If you notice the plates on this, the expiration is 5 of 20. Therefore, it tells me somebody probably bought it in May of 2018, so they only had it a couple months. Rear awning out the back with LED lights. Ladders connected to the fifth wheel. Makes it a real nice feature, so it's always with us. The fuel cell fills up on the door driver's side. Makes it nice. The big slide down the side here. 50 amp service. Big water heater. I think this thing holds 160 gallons of fresh water. Nice big basement area where the inverter is over on the other side to invert our power so we can watch TV on dry power. Individual electric jacks, individual motors and switches, so it makes it easier to level the fifth wheel out. Very, very nice product. This has the big 5,500 watt generator as well. LED lights on the end of the end cap. And then the other side of the basement here with magnetic catches gives us a little more storage. But I had to get this out there. It's going to go fast. You know, the people that bought it new paid the new price. Now we're going to have it priced at a used price. Somebody's going to take a very good advantage of lightly pre-owned, very nice condition, late model 2018 Genesis Supreme here. Make sure you ask for me. It's Clay.Thompson with Guaranty RV Center. My direct line is 541-979-1770. And remember, if you don't ask for me, I can't get you the right deal. So if you stop by or give me a call, I'm here for you. Thank you.